Hey guys, come on a road trip with us to West Virginia. Each of the kids got a candy box. All right, Junie, show me what you got. Got Nerd Clusters, Smarties, Watermelon Sour Patches, and mini M&Ms. Jace, what do you got?
I have M&Ms and watermelon.
The Sour Patch. Yeah.
Nerds and trail mix.
Nice. Nessa, what do you got?
I got watermelon Nerds.
And Smarties.
Smarties.
What are those?
M&Ms.
Yep, and some trail mix.
And trail mix.
Yum.
These are
Ready to roll. Rock and roll.
tomorrow.
And they even got all this stuff. And we also packed plenty of snacks and drinks for the 7-hour car ride. Let's go. Okay, we're headed to West Virginia. Say hey. This is us in the car for 5 minutes. They're yummy. Jace, what are you doing back there? You guys are reading again?
Yeah.
Eat it. Go eat it.
Hey. Don't act like that. I don't need you. Shoot this girl, you complete me. Shoot the attention with me. Do it all.
Junie did some drawings of each of the family members. Here's Anessa's and Davin's and Jace's, and he included a lot of the things that they like. The kids have been so good the whole car ride, and it's been a beautiful day. We're finally arriving into West Virginia, and we still have a few hours to go. This is us 5 hours in. Almost there.
That's funny.
We're arriving at our family farm, and here's my little brother outside waiting for us.
He's bigger than Mama already.
Oh, you're so sweet. Hi. What's this one's name?
Luna.
Hi,
That's
Luna. Oh, be nice.
That's Kaya. Another one behind there is Minx.
Moose. Hi.
Wait, where's the
Oh my gosh, hi. Hi.
Well, they just get it delivered, man.
Some of them eggs are fake.
Huh?
Some of the eggs are fake, like 6 or 7 of them.
Mommy, I don't think
Come to Mama. What? I can't. Come to Mama. I can't, wait.
I did not catch this chicken.
The biggest one is over there. I don't want the biggest one.
Grab their legs.
Grab it. Got it. Good job.
Whoa.
Jace, your turn.
Oh my God.
Your turn.
Come on, Jace.
It's all cool.
Yeah, I did that one. No. Actually, I think that was one. But now, the tiny black one.
T-Bone.
Behind you, yeah, behind you.
T-Bone.
I came out here one time and found him in Mo's mouth.
Oh, look, here we go. Headbutting, baby.
I have little goat babies. Are you guys going to pick one out?
Look, they're fighting.
Yeah.
They did at the same time. They did at the same time.
Oh, here we go. Is this one?
Luna.
Careful.
Get the chicken.
Nancy, come here.
What?
Those aren't chickens.
These are the fake ones right here. See that? They're just wooden eggs.
Yeah.
We'll get scared.
What are you doing? Hello. The views in West Virginia are beautiful. We got our family photo, and now we're in the car headed to go see some sights. Let's go.
That's a lot of water.
Here we are at the top of the Bluestone Dam. And a little past the dam, we stumbled upon this beautiful part of Bluestone National Park where they have this famous Almost Heaven swinging sign. Definitely recommend if you're in that area. Let's check out the swing. Mommy and Anessa. Jace's turn. Is that fun? Now it's Junie's turn. Daddy and Anessa. Cool. Of course, Mommy and Daddy had to get a turn, and then we got a family photo, which is one of my favorite ones from the trip. Now we're in the car, headed to our cabin. Guys, our cabin is so huge. We were expecting a 2-bedroom cabin, but when we got here, there were 7 bedrooms and 12 beds. There was a full basement and so much space for everyone. Come to find out, a tree fell on our cabin that we were supposed to have the night before, so we got a free upgrade and we'll take it. I mean, look at this place. The kids had their own little compound up here with 4 beds and 1 bedroom. It was awesome. This huge basement my brother got to himself. It had a family room, TV room, extra bedroom, bathroom. We were just so shocked, but hey, we had enough room for everyone, so we were happy. We got a hot tub on the back porch, and of course the kids wanted to jump in that right away. Of course I had to get in with them.
It was so much fun.
Me and my sister picked up dinner for everyone at the Lost Paddle, the restaurant on the resort. It was delicious. Look at this fruit plate for $12. I need some of that. The next morning, we headed up the mountain to the overlook on the resort. This is where my sister was getting married. Me and my older sister and my little brother came to the venue to help set up and get everything ready for later that afternoon. You walk down this hill, and this is where the ceremony will take place. There's a breathtaking view behind it. Look at that. It was so beautiful. Even better in person. And that island has a population of 12 people. It's unreal. Later, here are the kids ready for the wedding. Anessa was the flower girl. And of course, we had to get a family photo. This is the best we could get. Here's my beautiful sister and her new husband. The kids had so much fun playing together. Here's me and the kids. And here's me and my husband. The next morning, we packed up to go home and we made a pit stop at Tudor's Biscuit World for breakfast. Bye, West Virginia. Until next time.